Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I hope you are fine. I am Engineer Rehanullah. My dear friends, I want to share one of another course with you. My new course is about AutoCAD, Civil 2D and 3D. Today my first topic is about introduction of AutoCAD. My dear viewers, if anyone want to learn quantity survey course, land management and AutoCAD Civil 3D, these courses is also present in my channel playlist. If you want to learn these courses, please watch this video. Now we start my first lecture. My first lecture of AutoCAD is about introduction of AutoCAD. First of all, we discuss about what is AutoCAD. AutoCAD as a computer-aided design software developed by the company Autodesk. It allows you to draw and edit digital 2D and 3D design more quickly and easily than you could by hand. The file can also be easily saved and stored in the cloud so that be accessed anywhere at any time. It was developed by John Walker in the year 1982 with the help of Autodesk and maintained it successfully. Widely preferred in the industry of mechanical, telecom, civil, architectural engineering. This is the introduction of AutoCAD. My dear viewer, in this course we will cover this overall topic practically, inshallah. First of all, drawing setting, inshallah, we will study about this. Basic 2D full commands, how to make location plane, 2D full plane, foundation plane, front elevation, cross section, basic 3D commands and full 3D projects. These topics, inshallah, we will cover in this course. And this is the major components of AutoCAD user interface. The first one is application menu. This is the normally use saving the drawing or open new file, etc. User coordinate system, quick access toolbar. This is crosshair. This command window or command line. Inshallah, we will study about this. Ribbon bar, and this is the search bar, and this is work coordinate system. We change the view of drawing from this work coordinate system, and this is status bar. This include the OSNAV as well as grid, auto mode on off. These are all commands are present in this status bar. Inshallah, we will study. These are all components with detail. My dear friend, it's enough for today's lecture. Inshallah, see you with another lecture. Bye bye.